Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. My name is Ben, and back by popular demand, we're returning tutorials for you guys because everybody and their frog mother has been asking me how to buy Pepe. We're going to be talking about what Pepe coin is. It's a meme coin. What does that mean? It's a coin based on the Pepe meme. Now, somebody said on Twitter, they said, it took forever for somebody to come out with this. No, not actually. Actually, there were some NFTs that were Pepe related back in 2018, 2017. But they went the way of the dinosaur, unlike the amphibian, because they are making a comeback now. But I want you guys to understand, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy Pepe. I'm only saying this because a lot of people have been asking about it. Why? Well, it entered the market's top 100. Now, it has since dropped out, soaring 111% overnight. The newly launched meme coin, Pepe, has taken crypto by storm after hitting a market capitalization of $540 million. Why is this Pepe, but this is not meme? Meme. Maybe that's what some of y'all call your memo. Pepe launched just 2 weeks ago. I bought it on April 17th before it really started getting popular. One investor who managed to turn $250 into $1 million in a few days. Cool stuff, cool stuff. But the long and the short of it is this is a hype coin. You don't want to be stuck in this coin, but you may want to buy it. Now, why would you want to buy it? Well, you may want to buy it because you think this is going to be the number 3 or number 2 overall meme coin. Right now it's coming at number 101 on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, excuse me. But this coin, it launched and it's been moving and it's made the highest market cap of any market cap outside of Shiba and Dogecoin for meme coins. Remember, these are a crypto casino. And of course, if you want to hit up a real crypto casino, you can hit up Stake, our partner. Thank you to Stake for sponsoring the channel. You can trade with tons of cryptos over there, including XRP, Dogecoin. Yes, you can use your Dogecoin there. Maybe Shiba, I'm not sure about that, but definitely Sand. Tons of other coins there you can trade with. We certainly do love Stake. I made 162K there like a couple of weeks ago. Absolutely incredible. I was the number 11 trader on the entire site, maybe 10 at one time, or trader. I don't know what you call it, user. Okay, so here we go. You see Pepe's up 56.5%, and you look back here at the chart and you say, okay, well, this thing has been up only. Let's go ahead and do the 1 year chart. I actually like the max. The max shows a little bit better for some reason. I don't know why the 1 year and the max are different, even though they're both the same, even though they both start April 18th. So, point being, I bought him back here, wrote it up, dipped, wrote it up, wrote it sideways, didn't get rid of it, sold it all. I actually used my Pepe winnings or ROI to put on Stake, and that's what I won all that money with. Now, my Stake winnings are not typical, so it was extremely lucky. So as long as everybody knows that. So you come over here, and look, I'm not lucky with Pepe. I read the tea leaves. I read the sentiment. I knew this was going to be a big coin just by basic what people were saying on Twitter. And it wasn't one group. It was a lot of different groups of people saying it. So like with Solana, if you look at Bonk went up and then came back down. Why? Because Solana just doesn't have the vibrant community that Ethereum meme coins or some of these other meme coins have. It was never going to be a good return on investment. I said that in the very beginning. However, I've been looking for like the next Doge and the next Shiba, and I think we found it. So what am I looking at here? I sold at the very top. I sold at the very, very, very top this morning. Now, why did I do that? Because I don't like the coin, because I want to get out of it? No, I want to reaccumulate. So what am I looking for? Where am I looking to reaccumulate this coin? And what should you guys be looking for some reaccumulation? Now, if you look right here where it is, it looks like a pretty good spot. It looks like it bounced, came back down, bounced again. It's on the way back up. But when you're looking at charts, you really want to look at areas that it's visited before. This is a very important area here. 0.000008. Okay. So when you look at that, that's about a 20% dip, or maybe more like a 30% dip from the all-time high. You also want to be looking down here at this. So this is 0.00000062, whatever. So the difference between these two is about 20% or so. Maybe it's more like 30%. I can't remember how you consider the percent, so you go down to up or up to down. But the point is that somewhere in this range, somewhere between this number and this number is where I'm looking to get back in at. Right now, this is what we call price discovery. There's nothing to match it to. You can't look over here and find anything. So I'm looking in this range here, like where my cursor is. I'm looking in this range right here for entry points, okay? It could go down further, but that's where I'm comfortable entering again. So I turned 2 ETH into 2 Bitcoin, and so because of that, I got a lot of money to play with here, and am I going to put it all back in? I'm not sure. We'll have to see what the sentiment is. So how do you buy it? Well, first and easiest way is you just go to Uniswap. You connect your MetaMask up here. You hit connect, hit MetaMask, and boom, you're connected. Now, all you got to do here is select tokens. You don't have to search the address because it's already on Uniswap. So you just look up Pepe, and you want to go down here until you find Pepe. Now, it's this one with a green frog with the MAGA hat on. This is Pepe's. This is not the same coin. You want this one. Click Pepe. You understand this is the right coin. And then right now you can see what I have. So 0.069 ETH in this wallet. You guys can see I am quite a rich man. And this is going to give us 122 trillion Pepe, I believe, is what it's going to be. So shoot, this is a wallet I don't even use. So shoot, I'm going to go ahead and swap it. Let's see what happens. So it hit swap, insufficient funds. Okay, so I actually have to go back here because it's 0.143. So we got to take that into consideration. Okay. So let's do 0.5. You know what? I hate gas. It sucks. Everybody hates it. Thanks, Joe Biden. Thanks, Joe. FJB, am I right? Here we go. This will go through. All right, so hit confirm. And boom, I got some Pepe over here in this wallet. I just bought some of this level, even though I told you not to. Why? For example purposes. So this is going to go through. You can see it pinning up here in the right-hand corner. I use this Uniswap wallet. It's advertising down here on the bottom right, though, by the way. It's not a good wallet. I wouldn't use it. For NFTs. For crypto, it's fine, but for NFTs, I would not use it. So we're going to leave that wallet. Oh, there we go. So it is now pending. And so now if you click on this, you will see here, and you go to assets, we got some Pepe. Now, to actually show it in here, we would probably have to add the contract address, which I don't know how much what that is right now. You can find it by going here. We'll go ahead and add it just so I can show you guys how to do it. Contract address is right here. So hit copy. Right there, click to copy, come back over here to Uniswap. So you guys, this may be the first time you ever used Uniswap, so there you go. Okay, so we're going to go to the actual wallet. We are going to, we need to unlock it. Yeah. Okay, and then let's add the asset. So come down here, import tokens. No, we might have to hit custom. So custom, go here, hit that. There it is, okay. It'll automatically upload Pepe in 18 and add custom tokens, import. And there you go. So that is on our assets now. So click assets, should be at the bottom. And there it is. That's how you add it to your MetaMask as well. Okay, so let's go over here to BitGet. This is actually where I was holding my Pepe. So come over here, go to markets, hit markets. Make sure you have an account. We'll put a link down below for you to sign up for BitGet. If you like centralized exchanges, if you like trading, you guys can do that. They'll give you some deals, I think, when you sign up with our link. Link is down below in the description. We'll put it at the very top. So here we are. We're in ranks. So there it is. Let's click Pepe. Usually you would search it, but what we don't want to do is go to spot account. And here we go, spot account. Make sure your USDT is in your spot account. That's what you want. So hit trade. Okay. And then you come up here. So we're on trade now. This is spot trading. So go to the search, type Pepe in, not Pepe S, Pepe. And there it is. So what you would want to do, so right now we have available. If I wanted to buy all this Pepe, I would just slide it to whatever I wanted. Like I told you, I got 2 Bitcoins worth profit I made from Pepe, somewhere thereabouts. And there you go. You would buy it, and it works. There you go. So that's all you would do. I'm not going to actually buy it because I don't want to buy it in this account because I got out of it this morning. But that's how you buy Pepe. Now remember, you're not buying this because you think it's going to move from here. You have entry points. You want to look at the chart and make some entry points for what you want to do. That's how you win. So there we go. You guys, thanks so much for watching. That's all I got. Be blessed.